This is part 2 of the restore of the interior. You might remember that I removed the seats, the carpets, the installation, the soundproofing, and removed the rust the best I could. So we're going to continue and actually finish, not in this video, but I'm going to attempt to finish the restore of the interior. Wish me luck. I would normally film the taking the seat out, but you can't see anything. So as you can see, the floor is absolutely rock solid, and I started this last year, and that's how long it is since I actually worked on this car. Again, the passenger side, absolutely solid. So what I need to do first is I think I'm going to vacuum, and then I'm going to clean down the transmission tunnel, and hopefully, I don't think tonight, but hopefully tomorrow, I'm going to give it undercoat, and then seam sealer, and another coat of undercoat, and then take it from there. Well, I vacuumed, and I just want to draw your attention. Last year I had some welding carried out on part of the floor. So as you can see, I'm just going to rub that and clean that down, but it's all solid. I just need to make sure the surface is clean. I'm going to apply some rust eater, and then I try and apply a undercoat. I've removed most of the rust on both sides, and what I'm going to do now, I've actually cleaned the panels with panel wipe. I've tried my best to get rid of all grease and grime. So now I'm going to put some on rust eater and apply it, and let's hope for the best.